Hello, my name is Jacqueline LaFlamme from jacquelinelaflamme.com. In this clip, I'm going to show you how to keep a sketchbook. As you can see, I have very many different sketchbooks for different things. I have little small ones to carry around in my purse. I have a really fancy decorative one here with really beautiful paper for when I'm in a really feel-good mood. A really over-decorated one. And a very simple one. What I really like to do is sketch from my imagination. I have all these little doodles that I like to just put on the page, and then from there I like to formulate a drawing, and then I use these sketches sometimes in my paintings. Another nice thing to do in sketchbooks is to cut out a bunch of little things that you see, different magazine articles, different photographs, and I just like to keep them in my sketchbooks as ideas. So I just always keep all my ideas organized and all my thoughts organized in my sketchbook so that when I do go to do a bigger art project, I have all the information as I was thinking about it and as my thoughts were going along. I also sometimes just have a very plain, ordinary, utilitarian type sketchbook where I just throw in just really rough sketches and different ideas as well. So you don't really always need to have such a fancy sketchbook. Sometimes it's just nice to just have something. Again, I put in all my little thumbnails for my different paintings and things that I want to do. So that's another idea for a sketchbook. And of course, there's all different sizes, as I mentioned. You can have larger sketchbooks, smaller ones. And it's also very nice to have some markers and a little pencil set and to carry around with you in your sketchbook so that you have all your materials and sketching supplies. And it's nice to have all different sorts of materials so that you'll always be ready to sketch wherever you are. This is Jacqueline LaFlamme. Thank you so much for watching.